How to clean vagina. Your vagina is a dedicated part of the body that needs proper care to stay clean and healthy. The vagina itself, the internal openings that leads to your cervix, is self-cleaning and don't need to be washed. However, it's important to wash your vulva, the outer part of your genital, and the area around your anus to help prevent infection and irritation in your vagina. Establish a daily washing routine to keep the area around your vagina clean. You can also keep clean adopting good hygiene habits such as wearing breathable cotton underwear and wiping front to back when you use the bathroom. 1. Wash the area around your vagina at least once a day. Throughout the day, sweat and moisture can build up in your genital area, providing a good environment for bacteria and yeast. Wash the area daily as part of your regular bath or shower routine to prevent vaginal infection and unpleasant odor. 2. Use plain unscented soap to wash your genital area. When you wash yourself, use warm water and a gentle unscented soap. Feminine wash or body wash. Harsh perfume soaps can irritate your vulva and vagina and throw off your vagina's natural pH level, possible leading to infection. 3. Spread your outer labia and clean the folds around your clitoris. As you wash, be careful to clean all the creases and folds around your vagina. Gently spread your outer labia, the large fleshy pads or lips on the outside of your vulva, and wipe around the skin folds inside, making sure to wash around the hood of your clitoris and the area outside the entrance to your vagina. 4. Cleanse your anal area last. Once you're done washing your vulva, move to your perineum, the area between your vagina and anus, and then your anus and the area between your buttocks. Always move from front to back while you are washing so that you don't spread germs from your anal area into your vagina. 5. Rinse away all the soap when you are done. After you have washed your entire genital area, rinse yourself thoroughly with plain warm water. Make sure to wash away any remaining soap suds, since leaving it there could dry out or irritate the delicate skin around your genitals. 6. Pat the area dry with a clean towel after you rinse. Once you are done washing and rinsing yourself, use a clean dry towel to pat your genital area dry. Don't rub the area since doing so can cause irritation. 7. Stay away from douches, scented whips and deodorant sprays. There are variants of products on the market that claim to promote good vaginal hygiene and keep you smelling fresh. However, these products can cause irritation and wash away good bacteria, potentially leading to infections. Never use perfumed products on your vulva or vagina, and don't use any type of douche unless your doctor recommends it. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.